Hello trophies, welcome to this 10-minute conditioning workout. I'm so excited that you are here with me for this class. This class is perfect for any time of day. We want to work on our conditioning, stay conditioned, stay flexible, stay strong, and this 10-minute quickie is perfect for that. So feel free to do it once or twice in the day as an add-on routine, or just as the only routine that you do in the day, just for a quickie little zipper. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm so excited because these are bringing back the classic compass moves as well as some new moves that we've never done before, at least one move that I can think of that's brand new. And it's all about adding brand new moves into class so that we go, oh, oh, oh. Okay, trophies, let's go ahead and get started. The first minute is health bounce of choice. So you can rock, you can jump higher, you can kick around, anything you want, because if this is an add-on workout, then you might already need to pick it up a little bit. Otherwise, just keep the pace calm and easy. And then in minute 2 or minute 1, we're going to start doing our compass moves. So relax your body, jaw closed, poised, posture, staying focused for the entire 10 minutes. Right down the center of your mat on your trophy body. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Start reaching up, stretching through your core. Also grabbing your glute with every heel land, coming up onto the balls of your feet with every knee point, staying centered and focused. Think about that center line, right down your front abdominals. Perfect job. We're gonna switch to open heart in 4, 3, 2, 1. Reach out to the sides now, opening your chest, pulling your elbows behind you. Jaw closed, staying relaxed and poised. Continuing to grab your glutes with every heel land. Strengthening your calves and your ankles with every land upon the ball of your foot. Staying still in your body. Perfect. Next is going to be front cross punches with a mid bounce. Holding firm through the core. Excellent. 4, 3, 2, 1, punch. Excellent. Focus on those front abdominals again. Feel your glutes contracting, holding firm. Teeth are closed. Flexibility and strength. Give those biceps a little squeeze with each pull back. Next is going to be weighted vest pumps with the alphabet in 4, 3, 2, 1. Pump up, Let's mouth the alphabet. A, B, and again. Give your mouth a break, keep pumping. 5, 4, trophy twist is next. 2, 1, twist it out. Relax. You're welcome to increase intensity by lowering down and speeding up your twisting. Work right down the center of your mat. Feel free to hold onto the handlebar with one hand at a time. And you can switch at the 30-second mark. Next is going to be our new move where we're going to do front toe touches. So much fun. We're going to turn to the side. We're going to have some mid bounces and we're going to touch our toes with our front kicks. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn to the side and lift, 2, 3, lift, 2, 3, and touch. Keep one hand on the handlebar for most of the kicking, just so that you can let go with that opposite touch and hold and touch. Perfect. Keep this back hand up so that you keep working it here. Work your core, stay focused, add or subtract mid bounces as desired. Be smooth with your kicks, stay focused and poised. Next is going to be can-can kicks with some mid bounces. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn to the front, kick, and up. 2, 3, 4, kick, and up. Stay focused. And then add or subtract mid bounces as needed. And feel free to let go with one hand with each kick for extra flexibility. Getting better and better each time you do this workout. Jaw closed, excellent job. Boom, excellent. Yes, excellent. Keeping your breath calm, great job. Next is side to side kicks with 2 mid bounces. In 3, 2, 1. Point your legs, point and reach. And add or subtract mid bounces as desired. I want a glute squeeze as you reach and point. I want strong core muscles and your jaw closed, staying centered down your mat. Point those toes. Perfect, working front and back evenly. Next is going to be a full body, low bounce, glute and tricep flex with the handlebar. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, pump. your triceps, squeeze your buns, and feel your full body staying firm all the way through your jaw. Work your lats, quads, hips, core, shoulders, chest muscles, biceps, triceps, hamstrings, calves. You got it. Breath calm, poised. Excellent trophies. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax and health bounce. Easy breezy 10-minute conditioning workout. Check again and again and again and again. I'm so proud of you. Have a fantastic rest of your trophy day. And of course, you know I'll see you in your next workout. Feel strong all day long, feel flexible and poised like you always do, and be the trophy that you are. See you in your next class. Lots of love, trophies. Bye-bye.